Good afternoon, everyone. Kami aalis. We're going to somewhere along the road. Ano raw? It's so nice. Because this is the way going to the highway. So, and from there to hello. We're going to that way. And this is the diversion road going to the other barangay here in the Arcata City. So look at the one, Dalibaong Road. Charot. This is Dalibaong Road, and you can see that is the rice field at that's our charot. Joe. Ayan, hello everyone, hello guys. We're here on our rice field. Charot, dili. This is not our rice field. We just here on the highway. We just pull over a minute and take a video because it's very nice. So look at us. We are here in the bridge. Yeah, that's the bridge because we're going somewhere and it's very nice. The video. So I need to go back a bit, spin a bit so you can see the rice field. So look at the rice field. There's a rice field over there. So look, go up for a bit. It's the drone is struggling because there is a wind. Okay. Wind blowing. The wind is blowing, and I think it's against the light. It's on the other side. It's against the light. So look at that, where we're right now. Oh, look. Let's go up more so you can see. So look. Alright. Go up. More. Go up and then make it do like this so you can see all the... Oh wow. What a beautiful view. I will go back. See, look at that rice over there. Wow. My gosh. My goodness. So, go at the back. So you can see all the rice there. Oh, no. No, that's it. Wow. Look. And then the rice field over there, and if you go on that side, this is the left side where I am spinning. I need to go to that area because there is a river. See, that's the river, and I can go farther, a little bit farther, so you can see the river over there. Okay, see, that's the river. Then a little bit up, so you can see the river, the dam. Well, we used to swim there. See, look, that's the dam. That's it. You can see. Wow, what a beautiful view. What is that? Oi. So a little bit. Go nearer to the. So that's the dam where we used to. Oh, there's so many birds there, over there. So I need to spin a bit. Spin on the other side so you can see. Look at that beautiful river. That's the bridge we need to go. So, look. Sorry for the music. I just need to mute that one. So we're here. We're here. Where am I? So I think where am I right now is here I'm here. We're here. So that's it. So that's it. Spin a bit and then we'll come back. You can see that's where we came from. From that road, from that highway. So I will spin it again a bit so you can see the area where we right now. All the rice fields are there. So I need to go up, high, high, high. You can hear all the, wow, look at that. Spin a bit for you to see all the, oh, go up high. But if I'll go up high, it's not nice because it's really cloudy, and we do like this. It's so nice. You see? Can you see? Can you see? Diba? Look how I wish I have a rice field that big as that. So that's it for now, and I will just, so look, I'm coming back where, because I need to land now. So look at that. You can see all the motorists here. Motorists here, right here on the sea. Look. Oh gosh. Look at that view. So nice. See, look. And then that's the bridge, and that's their flood control they're making now. So that's the other barangay, you know? So anyways, I need to go back. I need to go back with me. Come here. Where I'm here. I'm here. Trying to be a good pilot. A good pilot at the moment. So that's me. Waving, waving. That's me. So I need to go down a bit so you can see me. Go down a bit. That's me. Oh, there's a crow. Oh my gosh. There's a crow. Oh my goodness. I need to go down. Oops. Oh. Alright. Golly. I need to go down. Oh my god, there's kay maujud the uwak, the crow. I'm here. Waving here. So come on. To do like this. I'm here. Okay. That's it for now. Thank you for watching and good afternoon. Where am I? Where am I? I'm waving. Yeah, I'm waving here. So that's it. Uy! Uy! So now I'm, where? That's us. You can see. Hello, everyone. Okay, we need to go landing. Landing, that's me. Alright. That's all. Thank you for watching. See, that's where we right now. Look at. Alright. So if I speed that a little bit, you can see the, where? No, on the other side, spinning a bit, you can see the, wow, the rice field again. So that's it for now. And where am I? I need to come back here with me. Yeah, where am I? Where am I? So that's it. Thank you for watching. See ya again. That's it. To the bridge. Yeah, there is. Yeah, alright. Thank you for watching.